Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying the file itself so you don't chase browser bugs. First, confirm the file format is playable by Drive, MP4 or WebM are safest. Next, make sure the upload completed and shows 100% in Drive. Incomplete uploads won't stream. Also check your storage quota so Drive didn't truncate the save. Once done, try opening the file in an incognito window to rule out extensions. This quick sequence eliminates most upstream causes before deeper fixes. You'll now address playback hiccups in the browser because Drive's player depends on browser codecs. Clear cache and cookies or open Drive in an incognito window to remove stored state. This often restores streaming. If that fails, disable extensions or switch to Chrome/Edge/Firefox to test compatibility. Make sure your browser is updated and that hardware acceleration is enabled. This improves decoding. Once you try these steps, reload Drive and attempt playback. If it still fails, move to permissions and file integrity checks. Finish by testing access and file integrity so you isolate Drive from the file. Temporarily set sharing to anyone with link. If external playback works, it's a permissions issue. Always download the file and play it locally. If local playback fails, the file itself is corrupted. If local works but Drive doesn't, convert the video to MP4 with H.264 and re-upload. This resolves codec mismatches. Troubleshooting tip: if re-uploading fails, try a different Google account or clear Google Drive sync cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.